My name is Gianna Pergamo, and I'm an artist at studios at 5663 in Pinellas Park. And I'm going to give you a tour of my studio for our virtual art walk. So warning, I didn't clean it because I waited until last minute and now I don't have time to clean it. But I'm a mixed media artist. That means I work in collage and acrylic paint, and I make all of these fun animal collages, dressed up animals with vintage influences. So here we go, we're going in. And this is my beautiful studio. And this is where I work. This is where I paint, and I left a little mess for you right here. And I make magnets over here out of my art, and earrings and different things like that. Like, here's some earrings. And I do all of that and run my business Pergamo Paper Goods out of this studio. Over here are some of my mixed media paintings. It's my couch. Here's some pillows I got made with my art on them. These are little stuffed animals I used to get made. Over here is my area where I have all my vintage magazines. Like, this is 17 magazine from the 70s. And I use those in my collages. Over here is like a pile of paper. Some fish. What's in here? A little alligator. Is that a turtle? A little turtle that I haven't used yet. Some different things. I make photocopies of my the images that I want to use, and then I glue them together, and then I paint on them. Oh, here's some little alligators that are gonna be turned into earrings, and those are laser cut. I laser cut them at my house. I have a laser cutter. This mess is all my show stuff for when I do different craft shows. Usually I just do holiday shows, and it's like my sticker display. So I turn my fun little collages into different things like, oops, stickers. These are vinyl stickers. And these are all available on my website, PergamoPaperGoods.com. Hidden behind this is all of these cards, greeting cards. Why do I have hundreds of greeting cards? I also sell to stores. Different little cute stores around the country. So here's more stickers. I want to show you my new paintings that I made in the past month or so. I made 5 new mermaid paintings. This is a mermaid horse. I've made mermaid cats before, but this is an orange mermaid cat, and it's made out of koi fish. You can see. And then this one is a goat mermaid, which is also the, I don't know what it's called, not the mascot, but the thing for Capricorn, and I'm a Capricorn. And here is a pit bull mermaid for all of you that love pit bulls. And then over here is a Chihuahua mermaid. I have a penchant for mean little Chihuahuas. I love mean little Chihuahuas. And then the last thing I made recently is this cat, and it is smoking a joint. I made it for 420. I thought that would be fun. And then she is glued onto a handmade paper that I had made a couple years ago, but then I just marbled it. So you can see the paper has all this little stuff in it. So yeah, all of these paintings are available whether I've remembered to list them on my website or not. If they're 8 by 10, like all of these ones, they're $2.25 each. And then stickers are $3 each, or 4 for $10. And prints are just $15. Ooh, and I sign them, which is fancy. That's not fancy. Anyway, that is my studio. So I hope you enjoyed my studio tour, and I'm sure I forgot something. that I meant to say, even though I kind of rambled on. But I love my studio. I love the artists here. It's such a fun place. And I hope that you can come visit when we're open again to visitors. You can follow me if you want to see what I'm working on. And it's all Pergamo paper goods because I'm Gianna Pergamo. And that's it. Have a good one. Okay, bye.